She discovered the secret of the maids. This mixture will certainly make it easier to clean your pots. First, in a container, I will add 500 milliliters of liquid detergent and also 90 grams of toothpaste. This mixture yields a lot and will easily remove all stains from your kitchen utensils. After placing the products, we will mix well. Everyone asks me, what is this product that I use in my home for noticing the ease in performing the cleaning of the dishes? Next, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, also one of the main items of this tip. To increase the yield of the product, I will also add 200 milliliters of water. To finish, we will mix one last time, and then we will have our tip ready for use. Baking soda is always very suitable for cleaning tips. Its alkaline effect acts directly to remove stains and dirt. After mixing, you will put the whole mixture in a bottle for easy application. You will already notice the different consistency of all the products you have used to date. This package I'm using has the capacity of 500 milliliters and is already enough for use for at least 2 weeks. I will use a funnel to avoid product waste. After placing all the product, we just must close and is already ready for use. You will easily notice the difference of this product among others sold in supermarkets. Have you ever made any mixture for cleaning? Using toothpaste, it is certainly the main item for the removal of all the stains you have in your shapes and pots. We should only apply the product directly to the pot that is dirty or even stained, and easily just with the use of a sponge, I can remove all the dirt. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Michelle Myers from Jamaica. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. You can even use steel sponge, just taking care for your type of pan. Then just rinse with water and it's ready. It is possible to use this mixture for cleaning all items in your kitchen. I'm sure this tip will help a lot in your day-to-day. Tell me later if you got the result you expected with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.